Say a word now.
One word.
Best describe the show.
Prolight Sound, in a word.
Just one word.
If you had to sum up this show in one word, what would that word be?
Exciting.
Nice.
Fantastico.
Excellence.
Is hungover okay?
Oh, blimey.
Shrinking.
Duty and pleasure.
Awesome.
Sehr gut.
Frankfurt in a word.
Confused.
Not cool.
Surprisingly good.
Mixed.
Bellissimo.
Compact. Good. Positive.
Lacking.
Different.
Home game.
Awesome.
Buff.
Just give me a word to say. Just tell me what to say, I'll say it.
You really want one word?
Exciting.
In one word. Quieter. Networking.
Successful.
Muy técnico.
A little dated.
Expensive.
Doner kebab.
Eclectic.
Connections. Discovery.
Mustard.
Awesome. Overwhelming.
Aching feet.
Unexpected.
Multicultural.
Better.
Awesome.
Good.
Very good show.
Declining.
Innovation.
Auf Wiedersehen.